Hey, it's TJ, and I am going to take full advantage today of Rhonda being gone. So Rhonda, both the girls are absolutely out of this picture today, thankfully, because I'm going to use it's cold outside. It's the middle of February. It's cold outside, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a rabbit hutch, a rabbit cage inside my living room. You will want to stay tuned for this, and shh, don't tell Rhonda. Okay, this is what you're going to need for this project. You're going to need some wire clip pliers. You're going to need some clips. You're going to need some bar ties. And also you're going to need, you'll be seeing us use this, you're going to need a bar tie twister. Also some heavy duty gauge wire. And of course the handy dandy grinder. Now, of course we'll do the grinding outside. What I went and done is, this is all the tools you're going to need to make this rabbit cage. And it is awesome. Now, what I went down to Fort Smith, ran down to Fort Smith and picked up these 12-foot long, this is shelving, okay? And it's 12 foot by 20 inch. Then I got some 12 foot by 16 inch. And then I got some 12 foot by 12 inch. Okay. And then I also, I guess that's all the wire I got. So anyway, I did get some 20 inch by 6 foot, and I'll show you why we did that too. So we're going to put all this together. I got some 4 by 8 sheets of corrugated plastic outside that we're going to use for dividers. Might even use some of this wiring for dividers. Also, because this is only 1/2 inch bottoms, okay, and I'm putting baby rabbits in here just as soon as we get them, I went ahead and went to the store and I got some of this 1/2 inch, they call it hardware cloth, but it's 1/2 inch, 48 inches, 1/2 inch hardware cloth, okay? So that way their feet don't go through it, all right? We're going to start putting it together, and we'll show you what's going to be looking like. Okay, so we got this floor done, okay? And we wired it all the way down, front and back. We did front and back side for extra strength, 6 inches, okay? And basically, this is the floor. Now, what we're going to do with this floor is that we will set it on 2x4s, and we'll put braces underneath it. This basically is just holding it together. The second thing we've got, these are 20 inch by 12 foot. 20 inch by 12 foot panels are shelving right here. This is going to be 20 foot by 16 inches, this side. Lay that down. And we just basically took this, okay, pick it up. We just basically took this, and we're going to use this wire. Now, only in Arkansas can they get away with this. Only in Arkansas, selling baling wire for $8 for this little row. $8. Because what was said to me by Jake was that, well, we know in Arkansas that baling wire and duct tape can fix anything. So somebody got smart and started trying. You shouldn't have to pay but $3 for that. But I went to Home Depot and paid $8. Home Depot come down on your prices just because you're in Arkansas. Okay, so we're going to put this up. We're going to take this baling wire and we're going to put it in through these. You see this little lip right here? We're going to put it through the lip and then through this right here, down at the bottom. I'll show you here. Okay, so we put the ends on, and with these ends, what we did was that's a 40 inches. This is a 1 inch mesh. So what you can do on that basically is count 40 of these squares across, and then you can cut it at the halfway mark. So 40 across, that's 40 inches. So it's coming right along. We're getting it up and going. Again, when we get done, this will hold 4 rabbits, and we'll show you more. We got to get some, we're going to put some dividers in there and put the top on. Woo! We're going to have fun. This is going to be the Holiday Inn for rabbits right here. Yep. And then when we put it up, I'm going to show you, we're going to make burrows for them into the ground where they can come out of the cage and into the ground, and they'll use it for nesting and birthing and different things like that. But anyway, this is where we're at right now. We'll show you more in just a minute. Okay, so we've got the ends on. We came on up and we put on a, it was leaning on a little bit on the middle, so we went ahead and added a support brace or support fence here. And then this one right here. Now, the next question is, what's the next question there, Jake? The next question is this. What are we going to do for a top? We better hurry because Rhonda's on her way. I mean, like, she's almost here. And I need to get this out of her living room because she will throw a fit. So anyway, this is where we're at, and we're going to put the top on, and we'll show you what it looks like when we're complete. Okay, so we finished up. We put another 20-inch piece of wiring on top, and we made sure and to put the baling wire or the rebar wire throughout this side of it, okay? So this side is completely sealed. This side is completely sealed. But with this side, now we're going to do one more cut. We got one more cut. We're going to cut it in the middle, and this is why. Go ahead and lift that up there. Okay? So it opens up, reach in, grab the rabbit. Okay? And we're going to cut this in two so you don't open up the whole thing, that only part of it, half of it's opened up at a time. It does have other benefits to it. When your child misbehaves herself, this is a really good place to keep them. So when you have a bad child, just make you one of these and put it in your barn. No, I'm just kidding. But anyway, it's finished. It's a finished product except for the cut.